And so we're live for live stream. What is that? 378 now. And with our live stream 378, we thought we wouldn't be able to get here to trade the markets, but the schedule cleared up a little bit. So we are able to trade the markets, and certainly missed this long right here. I got to that would have hit target, so I'm not going to complain. It's a bonus that I'm available to trade. Over on gold is just trending very strongly here, all the way up to the 4,200s. Not really seeing a pullback enough to get me involved. So if we have a look at the TPO chart on the right hand side of the screen here, you can see the volumes all the way down at the bottom. We're running away from the volume. Small bit of volume here being put in around the 196s as well. So price, oh wow, price came down to that volume there, right down to that volume, and found support and rallied to the upside. So gold is just looking like a buy. It's not pulled back enough to get me involved. Over on NQ, I am actually bullish NQ, despite the fact, oh, I've still got these bookmap levels. So these levels are not in play. So I need to probably move them out of the way, because these were levels from a couple of days ago. But I'm actually bullish Nasdaq. Hopefully it's not a divergence. Seeing that move to the upside on gold, it seems like just not going to get enough of a pullback to participate here. And that happens from time to time. So we can see here something happened around 10 a.m. Eastern Standard. I wonder if there's some sort of news. Could be unscheduled news. So at, was at 8:30 Eastern, we had CPI. Well, did we? No, we did not. This is Thursday. Wednesday, we have nothing. Earnings, I think everybody's earned what they need to. 63 bill. That was Monday. Can we get to Wednesday? Cisco Systems, Honai Precision. Don't expect these to be great market movers. So you can see that move to the upside above the 4,200s. Struggling here on NQ, making lower lows, double top, lower high. Where's the TPO here? Okay, got the TPO involved. So we've got a level around the 584s. So we ran up into that and we stalled. It's interesting actually. So if we get the fixed volume profile, and let's say we began there before. Okay, so with a fixed volume profile, we can see the volume massing at that level before we even got there. So just including the price action down here. Price ran into that high volume area and turned around. Interesting. The problem I'm going to have is I am going to get a setup that's going to be long. And in all likelihood, the target is beyond that high volume point. And that's going to be a problem. Will be a problem. Certainly will be a problem. Let's have a look at the VIX. Where's the VIX today? VIX is at 3%, so VIX is certainly suggesting negative. It's not an unusual VIX. VIX is below 20. Like to see that. A VIX below 25 is ideal for me. Let's see what we're doing here. So we're negative on NQ, negative on ES. positive on gold and up another 2%. So we've got a bit of risk off there. I'm getting ready to take this long. As per my rules. Oh my word. The entire range is going to be eaten up here. Looks like this range is going to be eaten up by this move up. Goodness me. Okay, let's get involved.
Order submit. Order filled.
Oh, let's get involved. $613.75. 613. Sure. Almost immediate selling. Clearly missed something here. Okay. 494. Oh wow. Ooh. Let's see. It's not really 94.50, is it? $94. And the target is, what did I say the target was? 13.75. 13. Hold on. 13.75. So we've got this high volume point right here at the 83s, which is, it's not good for me. Certainly bad for my health. And certainly if I would have taken the other trade right here, that would have been more favorable because I would have some P&L as a bit of a cushion. So, hopefully it's not a divergent day. May well be. Look at this. Gold is up. Wow. Gold is at 205. Just seems no opportunities on gold at all. It's just breaking away. Breaking away. Our friends over at gold. Breaking away. Let's see the T-pole chart. Who knows? Maybe today. Let's have a look at the daily. Oh, wow. Really negative here on the daily. May come down and get that stop. Gotta live with it. I've got into the trade, so not great price action at the moment. This bullish candle not followed through. Seeing that move to the upside. This is not great. Seems the level I've looked at to get in acted as a bit of a resistance. question is whether I allow the maths to work itself out, or do I believe I can interpret price action better than my system? Because ultimately, if I get out early and it goes and hits the stop, then, you know, fantastic. If I get out and it turns around, then it don't look very smart. Why aren't the buyers stepping in here? Let's see. My main indicator I use on my system is suggesting long. I'm wondering if it's divergent. I am wondering. Seeing strong continuation on gold. Got as high as the 207s here. As high as 207. I could be really aggressive and actually add to the NQ position. Depends on how far higher it goes. But it's not sure about it. So we're starting to build volume here around the 540s to the 29s. We've seen the breakout continuation on gold. The main indicator on NQ is not suggesting I should be getting out. It's just showing I should be long all day. But the price action on NQ has not been complementary. That's the only thing. Wow. Look at gold. Look at gold all the way up to 209. I think I only said 207 not too long ago. Okay. Well. Should I take the second bite of the apple if it sets up? Or is this being too aggressive? This kind of selling certainly doesn't fill me with confidence. Oh no. I think I'm going to have to wait for more information here. I need this to close no higher than 42. Okay. Wait for more information. Waiting for more information here. Do have that heavy volume sitting at the 484s, the 584s, sorry, which could be a problem for us. Could be a bit of a problem, so I'm thinking about whether I should take the ad. I got 20 seconds to make the decision. Take the ad and take the profits around the 84s just in case we reverse off there. Don't want to feel I'm buying too high. I don't want to over leverage into a position. Time to make a decision. I'm going to take it.
Order filled.
Let's take it. $504. Put a stop right at the 504s.
Order submitted.
1825. 1820. 1375. 1375. 1375. 1825. So let's go with 1825. 1825. And we've got 1375. Let's put a cell right there. And let's see, 1825. 18, come on. 1825. Let's go with 1375.
Order submitted.
So I'm making a big bet on this not acting as resistance, this high volume point. So I'm actually trading against a TPO here. Making a huge bet that it won't, that we'll get through it and get to that 1375. We may not even get up there. This market could very well turn around. Hold up. Let's see if gold has pulled back enough. Nope. Gold has not pulled back enough to get us involved. Not what we want to see here. Oh, wow. That's, oh no. Certainly not what we want to see. Okay. Yeah, well, so, okay, let's imagine we get stopped out here. We'll reset and come again. That's what we'll do. Just a bit, seeing the volume pick up there. Bad sign, bad sign. You can see on this horizontal volume profile here. Bad sign. Okay, so the high volume point, let's put it at the 82s. We're going to put an alert out there at that high volume point at the 82s. The main indicator is starting to turn. Come on. So I have to think here. Hypothetically, right? If we get to the 80, say 82.50, right? I'm in at an average price of 52. Okay. What is wrong with taking profit at the point of control? There is nothing wrong with it because the average price is 53.50. So let's do that. Let's go 83.50. Let's see if we can get the 83.50. Let's see if this can go up to that point of control. So we're going to just make this adjustment, trying to take the TPOs into account here. If we can get 83.50, then if we can come back down to the 53.50, I'll reload and look for that 13.75, which is where I'm going to put that alert right there. So this is about just taking off a little bit of risk. So even if, say, for example, it gets there, it turns around, goes all the way, clears the stops, then at least then some of the losses would have been offset by a possible profit taken around that high volume point of the point of control. Now, if price rally all the way up to that 18.25, then so be it. But I can't say I'm using the point of control, and I can't say I'm using TPO charts, but then not make decisions based on it. So we'll see. We'll certainly see. Go against near 2% optimism about US government reopening. Come on, let's see the breakout here. Come on, I want to see the sustained higher prices. Come on, there we go. Let's see. $72, 10 points away. Got to 74. 9-ish points. Oh my gosh, the point of control is flipping. Oh my gosh, man. What's it doing at 74? Son of a... Flipping hell, man. Kick rocks, man. That's why I hate this thing, man. Oh, I hate this thing. Look at that. He's flipped around. Now he's flipping turned around. That's why I hate this flipping point of control thing. That's the reason flipping why I hate this thing, man. Fuck it. Oh my gosh. Like I've got it at 83, flipping flips around at 74. Oh my bad. Oh flip, man. Kick rocks, man. Absolutely kick rocks, man. Battery's low. Golly, man. It flips around, right flipping there. You can't be fucking kidding me, man. Oh, I hate this thing, man. You know what? I'm going back with my original target. I'm tired of this thing. Whatever. You know what? Let's stick with that trade idea. It was literally at 83.50. Let's go with that. Yeah, but that's taking. You know what? Golly, that point of control, man. Son of a gun, man. Oh, at least gold has pulled back. Let's see if I can participate in at least gold. Oh my word, what is this? This is not good, man. This is not good. Point of control flip, man. Golly. Flip to the very top right there, and then it flipping dumps, man. Son of a gun, man. Whatever. We're gonna go participate in gold. Depends where we close here. Yeah.
Order filled.
Participate in gold. $195.6. 195. 6. 195. 6. 208. 208. 208. Let's see. 83.50. I can't do it because at the end of the day, it's not gonna work with the strategy. It's gonna be a smaller win. It's not gonna work well with the maths on the strategy. Oh. Golly, man, we're putting in volume. Golly. So we got up 203s here on gold on the right hand side of the screen. Hopefully we can take the gold off and take some of the risk off the table. Get up to that 204 here on gold on the right hand side of the screen. Gold is up 2.13%. $204.6. Let's see, where did gold go? Gold went as high as 204.7s. So this is an absolute fight here on NQ. Absolute fight, man. So the previous high was around 204.7s. Let's put this around 204.9s. Really need this to close bullish here on gold. Mm. Mm. I'm surprised the volume hasn't flipped over on NQ yet. Putting a lot of volume down here. You know what? We've taken the trade, so we just have to accept it. Where is our... there isn't any point of controls down at the bottom on gold. This is just struggling too much, man. If I wanted just one to go, if I had a choice and one's going to hit stop, one's going to hit target, I'll definitely choose the NQ because certainly have more risk on over here. But could end up hitting stop on all two instruments, so zero guarantees of success. Seeing as this market loves this 53.50 so much. No. You know what? Is that 75.75? Okay. Let's see if you want to come up to this this new point of control at the 75.75. We're up to the 2055s on gold. Almost up to that 206, gone up to 2059s. Let's double check that. 2063s actually. Wow. Pretty close at 208. See if I can pick up this 75 over on NQ on the left hand side of the screen. Hit the 2067s, 207s on gold on the right hand side of the screen. Got as high as 2078s. We're 8 ticks from target on the right hand side of the screen. Trying to see if we can go and pick up that 75 here on the left hand side of the screen on NQ. Come on, don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. 8 ticks from target. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, gold. Got to that 074. 2 ticks further. Closer to target. 6 ticks from target. At the 2074s. Gonna see this quick move here up to the 208s. Goodness me. We got to 2075. 5 ticks from target. Come on, just go get it. Go get that order just sitting up there. Don't tell me it's going to be just like yesterday. Okay. There we go. Come back bias with strength. Let's go. At the 07s, 075s. Let's pop the 075s here. Got to the 075s twice. Someone's selling there. Seeing high volume on this candle. Someone is selling. Son of a bun. Son of a gun. Got as high as 72 over on NQ on the left hand side of the screen. Target's up at 75. That first target just around where that POC is on the TPO volume, on the TPO profile here, 73.50.
Order
There we
canceled.
go. All right, so we've taken some of the profits off the table on our friends at NQ.
Order submitted.
I'm gonna try and buy the 53.50s on NQ. Let's see. About to get to target over on gold. Can we go get it? Come on.
Target filled.
That's that target filled on my personal account. Let's go. Target filled on this streaming account. There we go. So 53.50. Want to buy if the market wants to come back there and get us in. I doubt it. See, this is one of the things which I do find certainly interesting, because it hung around here so much, and that's the reason I took the 75s. I was hoping that would come and revisit the 350s, 53.50s. If we don't hit the 53.50s, then it's one of those things. Let's make sure we don't have any pending orders sitting out here on gold in our personal account. So I'm going to go over to the gold chart. Nothing seen over there on a personal account. So, okay. Oh, look at this. Working beautifully. Took profits a bit early because of that TPO. I wonder if this is going to come back. Maybe it won't. If it doesn't come back, then so be it. So we got at 1375, which was a target on the original setup. The extended target was around at 1825. So we'll see. We'll certainly see. I wonder how much we realized off that that early take. Paper trade, let's go. Balance history. So we know we picked up 70 on gold, right? So we picked up 45 on NQ. So we've hit the daily goal. We've already hit the daily goal. It's just about the bonuses that we can pick up here. Can prices come back to that 53.50 for a reload up to 13.75, then 18.25? Or will we just get to that 18.25? So certainly if we get to that 18.25, it would have been a much bigger day. But like I said, trying to incorporate the TPOs into the trading. So I did see that pullback from that TPO as it flipped around. Oh my word. Gone through 13.75.
Order canceled.
Oh my word. That's my personal account telling me that. We've gone all the way up to that 18.25, right? Yeah. Gone up all the way up to 18.25 on the personal account. So I am going to goodness me. So we've gone through 13.75. Personal account's been filled. Do we still leave this pending order sitting there? Well, I'll tell you what. We get to 18.25, we'll cancel that pending order because all trades are resolved. There we go. Come on. Fill. Sometime today. There we go. Gonna cancel this order at 53.50. Cancel this order at 5.04. So, due to the high volume node here on the TPO profile, took profits a little bit early, around that 5.76. Original targets were 13.75 and 18.25. Those targets would have been hit if I'd have held the position. So again, use the TPOs and capped my profits a little bit. But maybe, I'm not sure if I could even say that, because maybe I wouldn't have reloaded if I wasn't concerned about the POC. So that could be a possibility as well. I in fact reloaded here because the POC was so close to take profits around the POC. So in reality, maybe the total P&L across all positions is a correct amount. So we can't trade in hindsight. Can't trade in hindsight and say what we would have done after the fact. So let me just have a look here. Entry was at 50.50. Let's see, 50.50. 50.50. And let's say we had a buy. And let's say we took 13.75. 13.75 would have picked up 126.500. Okay, so 126.500 instead we've picked up 130 plus 45, which is like 175.500 before commissions. 175.500. So just looking at that, in all likelihood I would not have taken that second trade. So I'm not going to be disappointed that we took profits at the point of control. Cancel this order. Make sure there aren't any pending orders seen out there in my personal account. Also want to check this streaming account. Make sure positions, orders, working orders, nothing on the working orders. Don't have any orders sitting out there. Look at the positions, balance history. So we can see here we're up at 1687. Where did we begin the day? We began the day at 1443. You can see here I began the day at 1443, had 3 trades, essentially one big trade there, but 3 trades, quote unquote. This is essentially the one long, but 45, 70, and at 130. Didn't plan to come in today to trade due to my job. Just a bit of a bonus that I was able to do that, and we can certainly see that it has worked in my favor. The overall strategy is working as designed. Trying to incorporate the TPOs again. I suppose leaving a bit of profit on the table, but it's no reason to give up on it. Still going to try and use it, because I know that eventually there may come a day where I'm going to use the TPO charts. It's going to save me. So I think I'm going to wrap up the video there. It's a bit of a shorter one today. How long have I been here? Oh, wow, less than an hour. It's about 52 minutes. But whatever the case is, I've picked up the P&L I would like. So I've definitely got over 100. Considering the fact that I started at 443 and I'm going to be ending at 687. So that's even above 200. Okay. I'll come back. I will do the recap, and I'll post a recap for later today. With that said, thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.